Hello everybody, this is Dedra with Papercrafts and Planners. I have a small haul for you and I'm going to do an unboxing so that I can get to my 10 cards 1 kit. These arrived. Spellbinders had a lot of shipping issues this month and they say they've got them taken care of and it will not happen next month. But my box that I paid for on the 1st just arrived today and it's the 26th. So that they had a lot of issues and I think they had some COVID with their warehouse. But anyway, first thing, this is from scrapbook.com. They had a great clearance, and some of their clearance, I always scroll through, even though it's like 48 pages long and it takes forever, because some of their clearance was Lawn Fawn, and I love these little Lawn Fawn stamps. This one is the Village Heroes, and it has the little sentiments, thank you, and hero, and all of that. It has the little sounds that the cars make, has the little crossing to go on the sign, some stop signs, some road stop lights, little faces to go on things. Oh, that's so cute. I love these little faces. And then it has all the vehicles and some little clouds too. Those are cute. Anyway, I purchased this and it was like half price. And then of course I had to get the die set because that's, you know, I have to have the die set for everything. But this was a really good price for this. And actually the reason I purchased it is for Valentine's cards for my 2 youngest grandsons. They love vehicles, anything that makes the sound of a vehicle too. So I think they'll like that. And hopefully I'll come back and show those because I think I'm going to use a pop-up pivot die from Lawn Fawn also that I've been playing around with a lot. And then this one is called All the Clouds. I love that. It's got the rainbow and the moon and the sun, a tiny rainbow. And then it has all these cute faces. 2 different sizes to go with the different size clouds. So cute. Sending sunshine your way and smiles. So it's got the ampersand, sunshine and smiles, to brighten your day. I mean, that is just adorable. I love it. You could even put the faces, of course, on the sun too. Really cute. And then the die for it. So I will link to those. I don't know if they're still on clearance, but it pays to always look at scrapbook.com every once in a while anyway, or get on their email list so you know when their clearances are, because they have a lot of clearance and they also have a lot of free gifts with purchase. Okay, so this is the small die of the month for Spellbinders for January, and it is called Lovely Card Creator. And all of these pieces, well, there's this heart in the middle is separate, and then this piece. So I'm hoping to get, I'm taking a little bit of a trip for 3 days, but I'm hoping to get the first week of February some cards that I make with this up to show you guys how it is. Their shipping seems to be back on track, so hopefully you could get this without it taking too long. And then there is the, let's see, Kaleidoscope Hearts Slimline. I have yet to make a slimline card. I know I'm way behind the times with that. So there are these hearts, and then there is also an outline heart. I don't know if you could see it on this one. It would cut out just hearts, the solid hearts. So you could do a lot of different layering with this. And then you have the flowers that can layer and then the leaves. So this is a really great one. I'm looking forward to using that. Okay, so let's take a look at the card kit. I took it out of the box and I'll show you in bits here because there's a lot of it. So it always comes with this card that shows you some examples of what they've done with the card kit and then tells you what's in there. And then they walk you through doing one of them. So the die this month creates this cat. Really cute. And the hand, if you use all the pieces, this one paw here can bobble up and down on your card a little bit. It's got this little piece that you bend and shape. And then it has a little heart that the cat can hold. And then a little collar and a handkerchief or kerchief for its neck, which is really cute. And then the rest of these dies, oh, and some leaves, the rest of these dies match the stamp set. So let me show you the stamp set. Is right here. And this will cut out that So Lucky. And then there is one die for each size of clover that they have here. So that's really cute. And then also in the stamp set, you can see there's So Perfect, Have a, Your Day, Oh Hey There, they're just a bunch. There's a Happy Birthday. I love that. So Lucky. And then you could put To Have You in My Life, To Call You Mine, Just the Way You Are, hashtag Grateful for You, Happy Valentine's Day. There's just a lot of little sentiments with this that are super cute. Okay, so let me move the die out of the way too. And then, of course, it comes with 10 cards and 10 envelopes. Hence, everybody doing 10 cards, one kit. It comes with a small roll of double-sided tape. It comes with these little pop-up squares that you can use if you want to pop up a feature on your card. And this month are the gold sequins. For the cardstock, there is a navy blue. I know I get a glare from that gold. A gold, so I'm going to put it aside because it's causing an awful glare. There's a light blue, a minty green, a yellow, a lavender, a peachy pink, a mid-tone pink, and a dark pink. So you get a good assortment of cardstock there. These are chipboard, and they're adhesives. This says, it's amazing how one day someone walks into your life and you can't remember how you ever lived without them. Really cute. Love these magic moments. And then you've got all of these hearts with different sayings. And then on the back, you've got all the lucky things. Really cute. I love that. Every day I love you more. Cute. So lots of stuff for Valentine's for sure, or anniversary. And these are puffy words. I love all of these. I love this little arrow here. That's really cute. And then there are some glitter hearts, and I believe they're sticky. Haven't used them yet. Here is the 6x6 paper pad, and I'll go from the back. So there are 12, 2 of each. I love the foiling on them this month, and the colors too. This is like a really pretty orange, almost a pastel. So this, these are fortune cookies. Really pretty pattern. You've got some butterflies and flowers, some more flowers, some hearts on a green background. XOXO that's foiled. I don't know if you can even see that with the camera angle. You've got some hearts, stripe, an abstract pattern, some tickets, and some are lotto tickets. Those are cute. And you've got some white on green, yellow, pink stripes, and then you've got a blue background with some little green clovers, some more hearts. I love this watercolor rainbow one. That is so pretty. And there's your lucky cat. And then it starts over. Okay, so I'm going to lay out all of these chipboard pieces for you, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have them all spread out here. As you can see, we have 3 different sizes of tags and shapes of tags here. We have some florals, all different, 3 different florals here. A couple of butterflies. There are 2 of each design, by the way. If you can't tell, there's 2 in each stack. We have a little award, and I can see stamping something on that. That would be cute. Some dice, a couple sizes of the lucky cat, and then even another one in a postage stamp. And you also have this crossed fingers in a postage stamp. And then you've got all these total champ, your special day for you, and then here's another for you with a bouquet. I love you, I'm the luckiest, happiness is shared. Lucky, there is no one like you, better together, we are family, so blessed. All we need is love is all we need. Some rainbows, love this, you are amazing, you make me so happy, smiles. And then we have some of these frames that you can punch the inside out and use them separately. You don't have to use them in one piece. Scratch off ticket, so cute. Here is another frame with a heart, and the heart comes out, the inside comes out, so you can use it in any configuration you want. Here's some that look like little notepad sheets, and these little circles here will punch out, and the little ones on the side too. And let's see, got this little tag with lines. That's cute. Make it happen checklist. Good luck, good vibes, good friends. That's cute. And this, I think it's like a little roulette wheel. You have an ampersand. There are 2 in different colors of these little tags. You are my sunshine. Some more tickets. You've got these tickets up here. So lucky to have you, and every day is a lucky day. That is really cute. A bicycle built for 2 with some balloons. I love that one. There are some different horseshoes. Here's another crossed finger, but just the hands. And there's a couple of ace of hearts in different sizes. And there are some clovers. And then they had all these little stars and hearts. Some are foiled. And then 3 different shapes of the hearts. One's in a floral, one's got clovers, and one's a stripe. And I don't know if I showed you the XOXO fortune cookie. And then what does this one say? Meant to be. So cute. Anyway, there are a lot of different chipboard pieces that I'll be using, these thin cardstock pieces that I'll be using for sure. So I'm going to get started on my 10 cards, 1 kit. I hope I might make more than that. You never know. Sometimes I get carried away and do some tags too. And then I'll have that video up in a couple of days. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Happy crafting.